it more, I shall pour. And as I pour, know that I will do more. For this is a season where when you declare a thing and you decree a thing, you shall see a thing. Hallelujah. So on this day, I hear God saying, decree what you want. Yes. Decree what you need. Decree. Because as you decree, you shall receive. For this is the day that I've been longing for. My true sons and my daughters to be revealed in the earth realm. And because you are here, know that I shall cause a new desire for me to come forth. And as I desire for you to do the unbelievable, know that I shall do great things in you and through you, because you have a voice to hear me when others won't see me. For I need my unorthodox ones to come forth. And as my unorthodox ones come forth, he says, don't forget to decree. Some of you have been waiting for situations to turn. But God says, on this night, if you decree it, you shall see it. So whatever you're believing God for today, I want you to just partner with me, begin to open up your mouth and declare what shall be. And so right now, God, I decree breakthrough in this atmosphere. I decree signs, wonders, miracles. I decree healing. I decree that we shall receive new, fresh manna from heaven. I decree the fire of the living God falling fresh upon your sons and your daughters. I decree now, in the name of Jesus, that our little babies shall begin to prophesy, that they will dream dreams, and we shall see a new thing. For this is the day that I have created, and I expect you to rejoice and be glad. Be glad, says the Spirit of the living God today. For I'm turning your tears into cheers. God says, I'm wiping away the tears of yesteryear, and I'm releasing a cheerful praise. And God says, as you praise me, you shall not be able to contain me. As you worship me, I will give you a new worship, W-A-R, so that the things that used to come to knock you out will not be able to do it anymore. For I am giving you a fight that will not stop, says the Spirit of the living God. And so I prophesy now that the unorthodox warriors are coming forth. The unorthodox ones will come with their slingshot, and they will say, where are the giants? And when they come, hey, he said, you shall decree a thing, and you shall slay the giant, because I'm calling my worshipers to come forth, says the Spirit of the living God. Receive his fresh fire. Some of you're beginning to feel the warmth of his presence. Receive it. Receive it. Some of you are feeling the fire in your hands. Know that he's giving you the gift of healing, to lay hands and know that I shall heal. I shall set free, and I will deliver. Stay right here while I'm going to give this back to you. ma'am, in this gray, God says there's such an aura of my presence upon you because you came seeking more. And God told me to tell you that it's never too late for him to do a new thing in your life, because he's given you an unquenchable desire even over these last 60 days to get to know him in a new way. And God said, receive this as a sign that indeed you are moving in the right direction. And no matter what people tell you about it doesn't take all that, God said, yes, it does. Because the way that I want to move in your life in the latter years is going to astound many people. And it's going to be better than you've ever desired and better than you could ever believe, says the Spirit of the living God.
There's a worship in this room that has to come forth. God responds to our worship. As I was standing over there, he said, many of us now in church, we take out our phones and we capture the service, but we never capture in our hearts what God is pouring out. And some of us, we came tonight not to just experience